हाय हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग सांग मैंने आज मु स्वागत करुचे आज सेकंड एपिसोड को डे 2 क्विज दैट्स ऑन ओडिशा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पाई कि डे 2 रो आउ नेक्स्ट लेवल रो 20 क्वेश्चन नहीं के आसी आसंतु डिस्कशन करबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द स्टेट बर्ड ऑफ ओडिशा? पीकॉक, इंडियन रोलर, हॉर्नबिल, sparrow. Answer is Indian roller. Hirakud Dam is built across which river? कल भी ये डिस्कशन किए थे। कौन सा डैम सबसे बड़ा है? हीराकुद डैम। कौन सी रिवर के ऊपर ये है? दैट इज आंसर इज महानदी। Which is the smallest district in Odisha by area? कल डिस्कशन किए थे लार्जेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट बाय एरिया, दैट इज मयूरभंज। Smallest district in area, Jagatsinghpur. What is Odisha's rank in terms of area among the Indian states? 6th, 8th, 9th, 11th. Answer is 9th. Who was the first governor of Odisha? John Austin Hawak. This is the important question. Which river is also known as Sorrow of Odisha? महानदी, बैतरणी, सुवर्णरेखा, ब्राह्मणी. आंसर इज बैतरणी. Which of the following is a tribal festival of Odisha? Nuakhai, Raja, Makar Sankranti, Chau. Answer is Nuakhai. The Konark Sun Temple was built by which king? Narasimha. Options are Narasimha Deva 1, Ananta Varma Chodaganga, Kapilendra Deva, Purushottama Deva. Answer is Narasimha Deva. Which is the largest lake in Odisha? All you know, Chilika Lake. What is the literacy rate of Odisha according to the 2011 census? Answer is 71%, 71.77%. Which coastal town in Odisha is famous for olive riddle turtle? Paradip, Gahirmatha, Digha, Puri. Right answer is Gahirmatha. In which year was the Utkal University established? The right answer is 1943. What is the main occupation of people of Odisha? Fishing, mining, agriculture and textile industry. The right answer is agriculture. The The Dhauli Peace Pagoda is located near which city? Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Puri, Sambalpur. The right answer is Bhubaneswar. What is the staple food of Odisha? Wheat, rice, maize, millets. Right answer is rice. Who wrote the poem Bande Utkal Janani? Madhusudan Das, Fakir Mohan Senapati, Lakshmikant Mahapatra, Gopabandhu Das. Right answer is Lakshmikant Mahapatra. Which is the second largest city in Odisha? Cuttack, Raulkela, Sambalpur, Berhampur. Right answer is Raulkela. The Paika rebellion took place in which year? 1817. Right answer is 1817. This one the most important question. Which port in Odisha is one of the largest in India? The right answer is Paradip Port. And options are there: Paradip, Dhamara, Gopalpur, Haldia. Which district is known as Silver City of Odisha? Cuttack, Puri, Khordha, Baleswar. The right answer is Cuttack. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଯେତିକ ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଛି ଏ ସବୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଯେତେ ବି କମ୍ପିଟେଟିଭ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଅଛି ଯେମିତିକି ଆର୍ଆଇ ମିନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା କି ୟୁପିଏସ୍ସିର ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ସ ହେଇଗଲା, ଯେଉଁ ବି କମ୍ପିଟେଟିଭ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ରେ ଜିକେ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଛି ତ ଏଇ ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଏଇଥିରୁ ହିଁ ଆସିବ। ଆମେ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସର ବି ଗୋଟେ ସିରିଜ୍ ନେଇକି ଆସିବ। ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଜିକେର 2000 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ରିଚ୍ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ଏବେ ପାର୍ଟ ୱାଇଜ୍ ଯେମିତିକି ପୋଏଟ୍ ରିଲେଟେଡ଼୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଡେ ରିଲେଟେଡ଼୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ରିଭର୍ ରିଲେଟେଡ଼୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ଏଇସବୁର ବି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ନେଇକି ଆସିବୁ। ତ ଷ୍ଟେ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ଼୍ ୱିଥ୍ ମି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ। ଆଉ ଯଦି କିଛି ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାର ଥିବ ଭଏସ୍, ଭିଡ଼ିଓ, କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଲେବୁଲ୍ ତ ମୋତେ ଦୟାକରି କହିବେ। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।